What's your surf report for today?
Looking at 4 foot, solid barrels out there, very minimal wind. Looking to get some shade today, so shaka. Can't forget the coffee first.
Second broken leash of the day.
Shaka, man! We enjoyed watching you. Like almost every wave slows out in California, it feels like, compared to here. Almost got cut off by that.
Tell us how how it went.
Stellar, bro. Everything was great until I potentially blew up my shoulder on, I think it was wave number 7 of the day, but definitely head high. Wanted to get some more floaters in, but in fact it was just a little too lippy today, so really had to stay low.